I thought it would be a fine idea to take you all with me on a little adventure. I've gathered some art supply and I'm going to paint into nature. I'm surrounded with beautiful nature that inspires me daily. I've moved here 4 years ago after a lifetime of grind in the big city. One of my goals for this year was to paint more outside and from life. And it's September and this is the first time I'm doing it. The reason is I do have a lot of social anxiety and I don't want to draw attention. People here are very curious and chatty, not that there is something wrong with that, it's just a bad match for an introvert like me. That's why I took a friend with me, so if you see my lips moving, I'm talking to her. Immediately, I regretted my choice of art supply. I didn't took a mixing palette, I'm not used to work with water brushes, and I don't know why I took gouache and not watercolor. I thought it might be easier with gouache, but I completely disregarded that I'm more used to working with watercolors. So there were a lot of new stuff and uncertainties, and I just had to do the best that I could. There is always a point in my painting from life where I completely forget that I'm painting from life, and I just start adding elements that I think would look good. That's what I did with the trees in the background. But that's okay, it's my painting and I can do what I like. There were a lot of wildlife, especially birds, and I really enjoyed the serenity of it all. As always, I had the best time adding colored pencils. And I love how the water turned out. I'm not too crazy about the grass, and I feel I would do so much better with watercolor. As well, I'm kinda regretting my choice to use natural colors and not painting the grass blue or the river pink, like I usually do. But it's all the beauty of the challenge, and overall I'm proud of myself for stepping out of my comfort zone and actually doing it. I'm already planning another art session outside, maybe with watercolors this time.